This time to review about Amazfit Cor 2. What's up guys, this is No. Xiaomi Amazfit Cor 2 is the second generation of fitness bracelet from Xiaomi and Xiaomi. This is another smart band with low price under $50 with interesting features, and I will try to cover all the main features in this review. The design of Amazfit Cor 2 is very similar to the first version, which is made of polycarbonate and replaceable silicone strap. The bands are shaped very nicely to fit around the wrist. It is comfortable and looks quite good. Straps are removable, very comfortable and soft. It has many holes that make it easy to choose the size to fit your wrist. The design of the bracelet perfectly combines glass and metal, making it perfect for both classic office clothes and sports uniforms. The front of the Cor 2 is a 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass over a 1.23-inch color IPS LCD touchscreen display, and it seems very responsive. The resolution is 160 by 80 pixels. It has excellent viewing from every angle and provides 5 levels of brightness to adjust from the settings. We test in outdoor and indoor lighting. The screen looks good in both conditions. Take a look at the back side. Here are some model branding, heart rate sensor, and the charging contacts are nearby. While in the Mi brand version, charging contacts on sides of the band. For that reason, remove the straps for every time in charging. That's uncomfortable for users to charge the band. But Amazfit Cor 2 is easy to charge. Just bring it to near the charging dock, then magnetic field catch the exact position and start charging. With looking carefully, find 2 screws under the straps. It will help to replace the straps. The wearable device equally comes with 5 ATM water resistance rating. It means whether you swim to take a shower after sweating, you don't need to take off your band and worry about water. Amazfit Cor 2 offers a few features: status, notifications, exercise, weather, alarm, and timer. It will give vibration alert when there is an SMS, email messages, or incoming calls. Even a social media app alerts like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter. As well, incoming calls also allows rejecting the call or ring silent option. One handy tool is hidden away in settings, a find phone feature that will allow to shout and find your connected smartphone if it's in range. Another smart feature in the gadget is music control. You can easily play pause music of your smartphone, even a jump to next and previous track through this feature. But you can't control volume range of music app. Maybe it's disappointing thing for some users, but not a deal breaker. One thing I noticed that the box has the always on display, but I can't find anywhere to turn this on, so I am not sure about this yet. If we talk about control, screen allows 4 swiping position: up, down, right, left to control all features. With swiping down, it shows up do not disturb feature and also battery life here. Tap on D&D mode for getting more to option now and auto mode. With swiping on the right side, it shows shortcut features like music control and weather. You can also change the shortcut with Mi Fit app. For the jump to main features, swiping up on the screen, here is all main features icon like notification, status, workout, weather, Alipay, alarm, clock, music, and settings. Another thing to describe that for measuring heart rate, tap on status icon. It shows all status about health and start to measure heart rate automatically. Now if we open band settings, here is a lot of useful feature. Watch face feature can change the looks of the clock face. Lock screen to allow lock your band after every wake up. Brightness control also here. Find phone already discussed, and also restart and reset option here. These settings not enough, but Mi Fit app provides a lot of things to control your band, in which your sleeping cycles, heart rate, history, calories burn, band display setting, notification alert for other apps, and also change the order of band menu. In band display setting option, you can change more watch faces. The battery is the main part of every gadget. Cor 2 has 160 mAh polymer battery. The company claims that the battery life is up to 20 days. We noticed after 1 week of Cor 2 full usage, it consumed nearly 40% of battery. That means Cor 2 live for 10 to 14 days more. How do you feel about this review? Let me know in the comment section, and whenever you want to buy this Amazfit Band 2, go with this link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoy this and wait for next, and also press the subscribe subscribe button. Thank you.